Introduction. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, English with Friends. I'm Adam, and I'm so happy you're here. If you're watching this video, you probably want to improve your English skills, right? Well, you've come to the perfect place. Learning English doesn't have to be hard or boring. In fact, it can be fun, simple, and really rewarding if you follow the right steps. Today, I'm going to share with you some of the easiest and most effective ways to learn English. These are tips that have helped me and many others, and I know they'll help you too. So if you're ready to make learning English a fun part of your daily life, keep watching. Tip 1. Set clear goals. Visuals. Adam writing Learn English on a whiteboard and breaking it into smaller goals. Let's start with the basics. To learn English easily, you need to set clear, achievable goals. Instead of saying, I want to be fluent, break that down into smaller. By the end of the month, I'll be able to introduce myself in English. When you have clear goals, you'll feel more focused and motivated. Plus, it's super satisfying to see your progress. Tip 2. Make English a daily habit. Visuals. Someone reading an English book in the morning, listening to English music while cooking. Consistency is the secret to success. Think of English like a plant. You have to water it every day to see it grow. Here's how you can build an English habit. Start your day with English. Read a short article, watch a video, or listen to a podcast. Find moments during the day to practice, like listening to music while cooking or reading subtitles while watching TV. Tip 3. Focus on basic phrases. First, visuals. Flashcards with phrases like, "What's your name?" and "Can I help you?" When you're starting out, don't stress about grammar or big words. Instead, focus on learning basic phrases that you can use in real life. For example, "Hello, my name is Adam. What's your name?" "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" These phrases will give you confidence and help you communicate in everyday situations. Once you're comfortable with the basics, you can start building on them. Tip 4. Practice speaking daily. Visuals. 2 people talking, 1 practicing English in front of a mirror. Speaking is one of the most important parts of learning English. The more you speak, the better you'll get. Don't worry about making mistakes. They're a natural part of learning. Here are a few ways to practice speaking. Talk to yourself in the mirror. It might feel silly, but it works. Join online language exchange groups or apps like HelloTalk. Find a friend who's also learning English and practice together. The key is to speak every day, even if it's just a few sentences. Tip 5. Make learning fun. Visuals, watching a comedy show with subtitles, singing along to English songs. Learning doesn't have to feel like homework. In fact, the best way to stick with it is to have fun. Watch your favorite movies or TV shows in English. Start with subtitles in your language, then switch to English subtitles and eventually try without them. Listen to songs you love and try to sing along. Play games in English or follow English-speaking YouTubers who talk about topics you enjoy. When you enjoy the process, it doesn't feel like work. It feels like play. Tip 6. Use technology to your advantage. Visuals. Someone using a language app, watching YouTube on their phone. Technology has made learning English easier than ever. There are so many tools and apps out there to help you. Use apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Memrise to practice vocabulary and grammar. Watch YouTube videos like this one, Wink, to learn tips and tricks. Join online forums or social media groups where people share their English learning journeys. With so many resources at your fingertips, you'll never run out of ways to practice. Tip 7. Be patient and stay positive. Finally, remember that learning a language is a journey, not a race. It's okay to make mistakes and take your time. Celebrate every small win, like learning a new word or understanding a sentence in a movie. Stay positive and don't compare your progress to others. Everyone learns at their own pace, and the most important thing is to keep going. So there you have it, some of the easiest and most effective ways to learn English. Let's quickly recap. 1. Set clear, achievable goals. 2. Make English a daily habit. 3. Focus on basic phrases first. Practice speaking every day. 5. Make learning fun. 6. Use technology to help you. 7. Stay patient and positive. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Also, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite way to learn English? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching English with Friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.